Hey everyone, today we are going to look at a simple idea that sits between AI research, market awareness, and practical online projects. The idea is how AI turns small signals into income ideas. This is not about pretending that one alert can create a complete plan. It is about using AI as a review layer, so small pieces of information can be organized into something easier to understand, compare, and develop. A small signal can be almost anything that points to a possible opportunity. It might be a topic that is starting to get more searches, a market pattern that keeps repeating, a product category that people discuss more often, or a workflow where people clearly want faster help. On its own, that signal is usually too weak to trust, but when AI collects several signals together, the picture becomes more useful. This is where AI side hustle ideas become easier to sort. A person might see 10 possible ideas in a day and have no clear way to compare them. AI can help by looking at the same questions each time. Is there visible demand? Is the idea simple enough to explain? Does the audience already understand the problem? Are there repeatable tasks around it? Does the idea connect to a real behavior? Or is it just a random trend? The first part of the workflow is signal collection. Instead of starting with a finished idea, the process starts with small observations. Search terms, market comments, social questions, recurring pain points, and dashboard alerts all enter the same input layer. The goal is not to act immediately. The goal is to collect enough context that the AI can separate random noise from useful direction. The second part is market signal analysis. This layer asks whether the signal is isolated or supported by other data. For example, one viral post may not mean much by itself. But if search interest, repeated comments, and market behavior all point toward the same subject, the signal becomes stronger. AI is useful here because it can compare multiple weak inputs quickly without getting emotionally attached to one of them. The third part is idea framing. A signal becomes more valuable when it can be turned into a clear question. Instead of saying, "There is activity here," the workflow asks, what could someone build, explain, review, automate, or package around this activity? That is the bridge between raw observation and online income workflows. The idea still needs judgment, but now it has a structure. The fourth part is passive income automation. This phrase can be misunderstood, so it should stay realistic. Passive does not mean nothing happens. It means the workflow is built so repeated tasks are organized, reused, and improved over time. AI can help draft outlines, compare topics, summarize patterns, score ideas, and prepare decision notes. That does not remove the need for work, but it can make the work less chaotic. The fifth part is the automated decision workflow. This is the checklist that prevents every interesting signal from becoming a distraction. A good workflow might score each idea across demand, clarity, competition, repeatability, risk, and fit with the channel or project. If an idea scores poorly, it can be ignored or saved for later. If it scores well, it can move into a deeper research stage. In a visual diagram, this process is easy to imagine. On the left side, small signals enter the system. In the middle, AI groups them, scores them, and checks whether they support the same direction. On the right side, the best ideas move into a review board. Each card can show demand level, effort level, risk level, and next action. That kind of structure is more useful than a long list of random ideas. The important point is that AI should not make the final decision blindly. It should make the decision easier to inspect. A good AI workflow shows why an idea is interesting, what evidence supports it, and what still feels uncertain. If the explanation is weak, the idea is not ready. If the explanation is clear, the idea can be tested with more confidence. This is why small signals matter. Most useful ideas do not appear fully finished. They start as little pieces, a question people keep asking, a task people keep repeating, a trend that keeps returning, or a market behavior that appears in several places. AI helps by connecting those pieces into a cleaner review process. So the takeaway is simple. Do not treat every signal like an opportunity, and do not ignore every small clue either. Use AI side hustle ideas as a starting pool. Use market signal analysis to check support. Use online income workflows to frame the practical angle. Use passive income automation to reduce repeated work. And use an automated decision workflow to decide what deserves attention next.